Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Got the 850mm flash. Got her in stabilized mode. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm very, very nervous. And yeah, I'm very nervous this plane. So, but I know the CG's right, and laws of physics say she should do just fine. So, got the easy lights on her. Wind is coming out of that direction there. So, already done my rain or my control surface test. So, here we go. Yeah, I'm sorry, I am very nervous with this plane.
AS3X mode. Stabilize mode.
I'm flying her as slow as I can.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Experienced mode. AS3X mode.
All right, got her in AS3X mode now.
Stabilize mode.
Boy, that's a weird experience there. Yeah, let me get her turned around here. I'm gonna try to land her. Oh man.
AS3X mode.
Wow. Wow. If you caught any of that on film, I'm happy. Holy Toledo. Oh, wow. I never went over half throttle, just so you know. Wow. We'll pause the video and come right back while I walk out here. Well, folks, that scared the dog mess out of me. I gotta go home and change my shorts. I never had it over half throttle. How can you fly something like this? It's way too fast. I would need this thing to be at least 4 times its size to keep up with it by space. I mean, it's just so fun. Absolutely no damage. It landed the way it's supposed to. You can't slow down. I thought maybe I could get in a spot where it would cruise. You can't slow this down. You can't get below quarter throttle. This sucker, it's got to have the speed. I forget, I was up there at one point. I got her up high and just to see what she would glide, and she starts dropping like a stone. And of course it crosses this field so quick, I went right through the sun. Of course, I lost it, and then I was able to save it before it hit. But I will tell you right now, this thing here is a handful. Not a beginner plane. She's all in one piece. She flies straight and narrow, straight like an arrow. But wow, what a ride. I'm gonna have to change shorts before I try this again. I'm not taking her up again. That was a successful maiden. She came down in one piece, and I don't think my nerves can handle it again. Well, if you're looking for a wild ride and you think you can handle the speed, I never got over half throttle, folks. Never over half throttle, okay? So if you think you can handle the speed, she's $179. Comes with a reflex. Don't mess with that reflex. Leave the gyro and everything alone, because it's about the one thing that kept me going, kept me live, okay? All right, anyways, if you want it, go. I'll put a link in the description of the video. And if you go to that link, and you'll see they're doing a summer sale right now. Well, that'll give you, I think, 10% off, so that's a better deal. But if you miss the deal and you still want it, and they still have it in stock, use the code FGFRC, Fat Guy Flies RC, FGFRC, in the coupon when you check out, and you'll take 10 bucks off the price. I mean, hey, it's $179, it'd be $169. So 10 bucks is 10 bucks, but you better be a speed demon and love speed, because that's what this has to have. Got to have some speed. So you speed freaks, this is your speed fix right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and speed demons. Bye-bye.